Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this channel we discuss about different immigration law issues. We already made 5 videos on EB2 NIW, National Interest Waiver. This is our 6th video. If you like this video, please go ahead and watch other 5 videos. It will be really beneficial to you. So today we will discuss about proposed endeavor of EB2 NIW petition. Proposed endeavor is really very important for NIW application. I know many people, they have very good profile. However, their application was rejected just because of a poor proposed endeavor. So no matter you do it yourself or you do it with the help of another attorney, please make sure your proposed endeavor is written in a very good way. And how to write proposed endeavor in a good way? Try to make sure you have 2 very important ingredients in your proposed endeavor. Number 1, make sure that your proposed endeavor is going to benefit the United States as a country or the entire world, not just a very specific area or a industry or a company or something. Try to be as broad as possible, at the same time very specific. So for example, your proposed endeavor will create a substantial number of employment in United States. That's a very good thing to say. Also, your proposed endeavor will help a underprivileged area in United States, a poor rural area of United States. That's a very good thing to say. On the other hand, if you just say that your proposed endeavor will create like 20 jobs in a small town, that's not good. It must at least help the entire state. Like if you say that your proposed endeavor will help state of Florida or state of California, that's okay. But try to say that your proposed endeavor will help or benefit the United States as a country, as a nation, or like European Union, or like entire developed world. Try to show as big possible. At the same time, try to be very specific about what exact work you will do in your proposed endeavor. So, another thing could be, because of your proposed endeavor, United States will get like $5 million as a tax in next 5 years or 10 years. You can say like a dollar value or something. That's also very good. Whatever you say, make sure it is going to help United States as a country, not any small company or a very small geographic area. Try to make it big. It's like try to make it as big as possible. Second important ingredient for proposed endeavor is, it is not the impact of your field. It is the impact of your actual work. So for example, you are a computer engineer, and computer engineering is very significant all over the world right now. So you cannot say that I'm a computer engineer and computer engineering has a significant impact, so I'm going to impact the world. No, you have to tell what exact work of you or what exact research of you is going to impact this country or the world, not computer science as a whole, as a subject. It is your proposed endeavor, not the proposed endeavor of a particular subject. So please make sure these 2 things. Number 1, try to make sure that your proposed endeavor is going to benefit the United States. Also, it is your contribution, not your subject or field of study. Just make sure these 2 things. I'm pretty sure you will write a good proposed endeavor. If you need more help, please make a free appointment from our website. I'll be more than happy to help you how to write a good proposed endeavor. Next issue that I want to discuss in this video, many of my prospective clients ask me, can I apply for NIW with just a bachelor degree? The short answer is yes. However, after your bachelor degree, you must have 5 years of progressive work experience. This word progressive is very significant. So for example, after your bachelor degree, you started a job as an assistant manager, and after 5 years you got promotion and you become like a senior manager. That's progressive, so you qualify for that. However, you started as an assistant manager and after 5 years of work you were still assistant manager. That means there was no progress. In that case, your work experience is not progressive. So bottom line, after bachelor degree, you must have progressive work experience related to your degree and field. that will qualify. Third and last issue that I want to discuss is, in the exceptional ability analysis, there's a one clause. It says evidence that you have commanded a salary or other remuneration for services that demonstrate your exceptional ability. So it's not that you just receive a good salary. It's not that. Your good salary must be because of your exceptional ability. So how do you prove that? You can get a recommendation letter from your boss or your HR or somebody. They have to tell that you are getting a good salary and your good salary is because of your exceptional ability. So without this connection between exceptional ability and good salary, this prong does not meet. So many people, they just submit evidence of good salary because they probably work for a good company. That is not enough. You must make this connection. And because of all these loose connections or lack of connections, many NIW applications get rejected. I don't want you to suffer this problem. So yes, be very careful if you do it yourself. Be very careful if you work with other attorneys about those three things. I make a lot of videos on NIW and other issues. Please do subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment box. I'll try my best to answer all those questions. Have a wonderful day.